been a lot of pressure to move it elsewhere in the world because where you can produce it cheaper, more mass production and so on. What's behind the decision to keep the factory there?
Right. Of course, I'm well aware of the option of having our tools made in China, but if you ask me, what are you most proud of in this whole Leatherman experience? One of the top 2 or 3 is creating the jobs. And they weren't jobs that replaced other jobs, they were added to the world supply because this is a brand new product that had never been made before. It was a whole new product category as it turned out. And so I'm really proud of those jobs, and I want to keep those jobs were created in Portland, and I want to keep them in Portland as long as it's possible. And the other factor is that I like to do our manufacturing in Portland, Oregon because the quality means everything to me. And doing our own work in our own factory in Portland, Oregon allows us to do a much better job of controlling the quality.